Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install CentOS 10 Stream server on VirtualBox. Okay, first go to CentOS official website, that is centos.org. Then click on download. Then see here we have the 10 and 9. Okay, so select this ISOs, then click mirrors. See download started, go to download. See here its size is about 7.6. I am cancelling this one because I have already downloaded it. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download completes, then open VirtualBox. If you want to install VirtualBox on your machine, then search for my YouTube channel, how to install VirtualBox on Windows or Linux operating systems. Click on it. Then click on new or machine and select new. Both are same. Select new. Then provide the name CentOS. Name can be anything. This is just virtual machine name. Then select the path to store this virtual machine files and folders. Then select the location where you have the enough space. Then select the downloaded ISO image. Select other. Type change it to Linux, subtype to Red Hat, and version as Red Hat 64-bit, because in subtype we don't have the CentOS, even if in versions also we don't have. Okay, so select the skip unattended installation. Then go to hardware. See, by default memory selected 2 GB. I am giving 4. Number of CPU equals to hard disk. I am giving 50 GB. Then if you are okay with all the settings, and click on finish. Still, if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, right click on it and select settings, or click on settings, or go to machine and select settings. All 3 options are same. Okay, the only option that I want to change is go to settings, system, then pointing device. I am going to select USB tablet. Then click on OK. Then click on start. Use up and down arrows and select the first one, that is install CentOS Stream 10. Now select the language and click on continue. See, the begin installation is grayed out. Why? Because the options that are marked with red color must be configured. So click on installation destination. I'm okay with the default one. Then root account, enable it, then provide the password, confirm the same, then click on done. Then the main option is software selection. See here we have the option server with GUI and server. I am going to select only server. Then select the components, whatever the components you want to install. Then click on done. User creation, I am going to provide user full name. Then add administrative privileges to this user account. Okay, then provide the password, confirm the same, then click on done. Now if you want to change time and date, click on here. You can change. I don't want keyboard language support and all. Okay, remaining I am going with the default. So click on begin installation. See, installation has been started. This will take time. I am going to pause this video. At the end it will ask us to reboot the system. Then we will reboot the system and we will perform the post installation steps. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, installation is completed. Now click on reboot system. Now provide the username that you have created. And also see here we have connected to CentOS Stream 10. Edition name is Kaflan and kernel number is 6.12. Okay, hit enter. Then provide the password of this user. Hit enter. See, we have successfully connected. We can also verify the same. more/etc os-release. See, we have connected to CentOS Stream version number 10 and its ID is like RHL or Fedora. Okay, Control L to clear screen. The first step after connecting to Fedora Linux service, you have to update the packages. Sudo dnf update sudo dnf upgrade. Hit enter. Then provide the password of this user. See, this will take time. Okay, type A for confirmation. Hit enter. This will take time. So in this video we have seen how to download and install CentOS Stream 10 server edition on VirtualBox. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.